Can you master the V-sit for a full-body exercise without equipment? Imagine having the ability to work out your entire body without needing any equipment, all while improving your core strength, balance, and flexibility. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. The V-sit is a powerful full-body exercise that targets your core, engages your entire body, and requires no equipment. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to master the V-sit and show you how incorporating this exercise into your routine can lead to incredible results. The V-sit is a demanding core exercise that not only strengthens your abdominal muscles, but also challenges your hip flexors, lower back, and upper body. To perform the V-sit, start by sitting on the floor with your legs extended in front of you and your hands resting at your sides. Engage your core and lean back slightly, keeping your back straight and shoulders down. Next, lift your legs off the floor, bending your knees if necessary. Reach your arms forward, parallel to the floor, and hold this position for as long as you can. Your body should resemble the letter V at this point. Now that you know the basic form of the V-sit, let's dive into some expert guidance to help you achieve success with this challenging exercise. First and foremost, it's crucial to maintain proper form throughout the V-sit. Keep your back straight and your shoulders down and relaxed, as hunching or rounding your back can lead to strain and injury. Engage your core muscles to maintain balance and stability. And remember to breathe throughout the exercise. As with any new exercise, it's important to start slow and gradually progress. If you find it difficult to hold the V-sit position, try modifying the exercise by bending your knees or placing your hands on the floor for support. As you build strength and endurance, work towards straightening your legs and lifting your hands off the floor. Incorporating the V-sit into your workout routine can be as simple or as challenging as you'd like. For beginners, try holding the V-sit for 1015 seconds. Then rest and repeat for a total of 3 sets. As you become more comfortable with the exercise, increase the duration of each hold and reduce the rest time between sets. To keep things interesting and to further challenge your body, consider incorporating variations of the V-sit into your routine. Some popular options include the V-sit twist, where you rotate your torso from side to side while maintaining the V-sit position, and the V-sit leg flutter, in which you alternate lifting and lowering your legs while holding the V-sit. As you progress in your V-sit journey, you'll likely notice improvements in your core strength, balance, and flexibility. The V-sit is an excellent exercise for targeting those often neglected lower abdominal muscles, and can help to improve posture and reduce the risk of back pain. So, are you ready to take on the challenge and master the V-sit? Give it a try, and let us know how you're progressing in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more expert guidance and tips on achieving your fitness goals. With dedication, practice, and patience, you'll be well on your way to a stronger, more balanced, and more flexible body, all without the need for any equipment.